Hi, we are going to prepare lamb shoulder and the rack of lamb. It is individually cut. Stick of butter, mix it in with your choice of olive oil. And also, I missed one step. You want to poke holes or slits to tenderize, okay? Flip it over. Next, squeeze lemon. My hands are slippery, guys. Fresh rosemary. I like to cook with turmeric for health reasons. It has no flavor, but great for joints and pain. It's tasteless. We're gonna take a spoon, cover the lamb. I don't measure, guys. I just like to go with the flow. I like my food rich to taste. So, pat, pat. It's sweet basil. Garlic powder. Truffle salt, or slap your mama, or pink Himalayan salt. For me, the truffle salt. I might hit it with slap your mama. Why not? It's the holidays. We're really not gonna slap our mamas. All right, we're gonna use cayenne pepper. Optional. I like my food a little spicy from time to time. Add the seasonings in, just a little bit. Oh my goodness, smells amazing. I'm gonna kick it up a notch. It can be oxtail or chicken jerk seasoning, it doesn't matter. This is what I have a taste for. You don't have to, but I want to, because I know how I like my food to taste. Ground pepper. Oh. All right, so you see what I did, right? Choice of wine, red wine, blended wine. I am going to sprinkle red Merlot, okay? Use your thumb. Woo, yes. Ta-da! Cover the lamb. Let it marinate for 4 to 24 hours. We have our cast iron skillet or Dutch oven. You can do any type of skillet you like. I forgot. A little bit more butter and your choice of olive oil. The heat is on medium low, okay? Just like that, guys. See that? Ooh, wait. Smells amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm a great cook. Now, I like my meat well done. It is still flavorful and juicy. And others like medium rare. All right, with the dripping. For those who like medium rare, let it cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side, okay? For those that like well done, I'm going to do like 5 to 7 minutes on each side, okay? Now, if you don't have a lid, that's fine. You can definitely use whatever's clever. It is freezing in Beverly Hills, guys. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna turn the camera around in a sec so you can see this beautiful peak of the sunset. For clarification, oxtail seasoning. What are we cooking? Red meat. It will kick it up a notch, guys, Jamaican style. I'm African American. I love Jamaican food. I love rich food, okay? So don't comment below and say, oh my gosh, she's using oxtail. Figure it out. I'm just saying. And if you want, use jerk chicken seasoning to kick it up a notch. Everything is optional. Oh, and of course, for those of you that like rare, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to flip a few. This is okay because what it'll do is flatten out. Oh, oh my gosh, tastes amazing. Turn up the heat just a little bit. I like to cook them nice and slow. For those of us that like well done, oh my gosh, if you all can just smell the seasonings in here. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. Surprise! I added jerk marinade on top of it because our next step is to place it in the gas oven, guys, for a good 5 minutes, and then it can continue to tenderize, and voila! I'm rolling it around. See that? Oh my gosh. We're gonna place it in the oven. Oh my God, look at the glaze on that. Can you see it? Jeepers. Amazing. All right, a few more minutes. Look at that. And it smells freaking amazing. Remember, we used cayenne, paprika, and the jerk chicken glaze. It is falling off the bone. Delicious. Look at it. Oh my God. Jerk style. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to pick up the lamb. Look how tender. Oh my gosh. Oh, so good. You can actually use the leftover butter glaze sauce for, excuse me, I'm not being rude, lobster mashed potatoes. Wow. I have to get on camera. The reason why we use lemon is to remove the gamey taste that people dislike. So use 1 to 2 lemons 1 whole one is sufficient. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for tuning in.